All right, fish on. Let's see what we got. Big old croaker. Way back over here. Let's get on back. Alright guys, first cast in the morning. I'm casting out this fluke. You can cast this way here. Trying to vary my retrieve on this fluke here. Just need a little bit of correction. See if we can get some procure on here. See a lot of bait, a lot of bait. Fish on for the day. Let's see what we got. First fish of the day. Oh, he got off. Oh, he got off. Got my lure. It looked like it was a small trout. Let's see what we got here. What is that? It's like a little finfish or something. No, I don't think it's a pinfish. Something else. I'll have to look it up. Whatever it is tagging it on the way down. Must be like small fish. Just gonna be using a gold minnow here. See if anything will pick that up there. Fish on. Let's see what we got. So a small little red, small little rat red. All right, that's a start. Start for the morning. At least we know we're here, that they're out here. Small little redfish. Get them on back. Beautiful, beautiful fish. There you go. Oh, we're on again. Oh, wow. So it's another small little red. Oh. All right, well, let's see if we can get one a little bit bigger. That beautiful, beautiful blue tail there. Get him on back. I got another one on. Feels pretty small. What is that? Looks like a croaker? No, let's see. Looks like a pinfish. a big pinfish. It's a real big pinfish there. Let him go. Let's get another one out. Man, sometimes it's the frozen shrimp, it outperforms the live shrimp if you work it right. We're just hooking that frozen shrimp right through the tail. All this weight coming in so you guys can kind of see how this inflatable kayak does pretty well. A lot of the boats passing by, they drop a lot of wake, but so far the kayak's doing well. I mean, I'm anchored right over there, and I don't feel tipsy at all. I've been able to stand up. Not bad at all, not bad at all. Alright guys, we're just going to switch out to this gulp shrimp in a root beer color. The frozen shrimp, they're just stealing it. It's getting harder and harder to keep it on there, so got a lot of wake still from that one boat right there. Alright, fish on. What do we got here? Little croaker. You got that whole entire gulp shrimp, didn't you? Little croaker. Let's get him on out of here. Let's see if we can head out just a little bit deeper. I want to get closer out here to the channel. This is good. Let's drop our anchor down. All right, guys, fish on. First speckled trout for the day. All right, nice. Ooh. So I just had to go a little bit further out. Let me wet my hand real fast, guys, before I touch this trout. Small little fella. Beautiful, beautiful speckled trout, guys. Let's get him on back. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Fish on. See what we got. What is that? Another big old pinfish, guys. Another big old pinfish. Let him run go. Up. He released himself. So all I did was I moved out a little bit further out towards the channel, a little bit deeper water here, and we moved back to the frozen shrimp here. Just casting it out as far as I can, and hopefully we'll get a bite here. See something breaking surface over there. Yep, we're on. We were on. What is that? Is that a whiting? Oh, it's a big old croaker. Wow, this is a really big croaker, guys. You gotta be real careful. These guys have, they do have sharp gill plates. Look at the size of that croaker. That's a big croaker. It'll be perfect for the plate. Get them on back. These larger boats, you gotta make sure you got your bow pointed at the wake that's incoming right now. They push a big old swell. So I just want to make sure that I got the front of my kayak pointed right at that. And you never want to get hit broadside by any of those swells. They'll flip you over. All right, fish on, guys. Got a tangle in my line here. Is he still on? Yeah, he's still on. Another one of these big old pinfish, guys. Big old pinfish. Let them on go. Got some more weight coming, so let's get prepared. Make sure my anchor's not tangled up. A lot of boat traffic out today here at the Floodgate. All right, we're gonna switch back to the fluke. See if we can fish the bottom. Put some Procure on. All right, fish on. Let's see what we got. Wow, that is the... You really need a net on that. Just flip this guy in. Wow, that is a big croaker. We might have a fish on. There's a big old croaker. Get him on back. Another croaker. These guys are big. Another one on. Another big old croaker. All right, guys, fish on. Another croaker. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and pack things up and move on out. The wind is starting to pick up, and dealing with a whole lot of boat wake, a lot of boat traffic coming and going. But this is the second trip today for me on the Bote Zeppelin Aero kayak. Performed pretty well, guys. Just got a little bit of mud as I was launching, but overall I'm very happy with this kayak. It performed very well in these conditions. Came offshore quite a bit of distance, dropped the anchor down here at the Floodgate, and didn't have any issues at all. Didn't feel like I was going to tip over or fall. Was able to stand up and cast, and able to land a couple of small little redfish and a small speckled trout. Not too bad of a day. Some big croakers. That's the Floodgate right there. You got quite a bit of fishermen out, and the boat's coming through. Just gonna pull our anchor up here. I would say it's probably about a good 5-6 feet right there, based on how much rope I let out, how much line I let out. All right, guys, we're gonna make our way back over here. It looks like there's a it's kind of like a shallow sandbar right over here. Should be plenty of clearance. The fin on this kayak is only like 6 inches.